Today's notes are on the atmosphere, the structure and composition of the atmosphere. The composition of the atmosphere. The most abundant gas in the atmosphere is nitrogen. The second most abundant is oxygen. Together they make up 99% of all clean, dry air. Nitrogen is 78% of the atmosphere and oxygen is 21%. Carbon dioxide is important for absorbing energy in the atmosphere, and water vapor is a source of clouds, precipitation, absorbs heat energy off the earth. Water vapor is also the most important greenhouse gas. Ozone is a form of oxygen with 3 oxygen atoms bound together instead of just 2. Normal oxygen that we breathe is O2. Results from oxygen absorbing radiation from the sun. The ozone layer is crucial for life on Earth because it absorbs potentially harmful radiation. The ozone layer allows life on Earth to exist. Structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere thins very quickly as you move away from the Earth's surface. The atmosphere is divided into 4 vertical base layers based on temperature. The troposphere, that's where all of the atmosphere, all of the weather occurs. That's where we live. It's the closest to the Earth. Stratosphere, the mesosphere, and the thermosphere are the other 3 layers. This slide you can just read over. The sun is the source of all energy on Earth. It's what makes wind, weather, everything. This energy is transferred to the Earth and through the atmosphere through conduction, convection, and radiation. Convection is the transfer of energy that occurs when molecules collide. For convection to occur, substances must be in contact with one another. Convection is a transfer of energy by the flow of heated substances. If you've ever boiled water, you can see it in the water that the water is moving in a circular motion. At the very bottom, it's going to be the hottest, and then it rises up and cools off, and that's how you get a circular motion. Radiation is a transfer of energy through space by visible light, ultraviolet radiation, and other forms of electromagnetic waves. So, heating of the atmosphere comes from solar energy. The solar energy is transferred to the Earth through radiation. When radiation hits objects, 3 things happen. Some radiate energy is absorbed, some radiation energy is transmitted through substances like water and air, and some energy bounces off things like the surface and back up into the atmosphere.